Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you about a simple car life hack. In this video, I'll be showing you and telling you how to know which car headlight bulb you need. Once again, this will be a car life hack and it will be an easy tutorial. Let's get right into this instructional, simplistic video. So obviously you can open up your hood, you can access the headlight housing, the back of it, and you can see the bulb that you need, and they're totally fine. That's, generally speaking what people do and what I used to do as well. And just a side note, this headlight over here is LED, so it doesn't use a headlight bulb, just so you know. But I'm gonna show you what I would do if it did use a headlight bulb, okay? So very simplistically put, you can also go to car shops and they will be able to look it up for you. But if you just want to go in and know which bulb you need, all that you have to do is look on the headlight housing. And I've seen this on many cars, so even though it's not on this specific housing, I have seen it on other headlight housings. And essentially what you're going to do is you're going to look on the headlight housing and you want to look for something like a bulb number like H7 or any other type of bulb that is a common car headlight bulb, and usually you're going to find it close to where the headlight is. So for instance, if the headlight bulb was right here, I would look somewhere in the bottom corner and it would show the type of bulb. It does say some writing, but there's no headlight bulb identifier here. But if there was a headlight bulb in this headlight housing, then essentially I would be able to just kind of look on here and you'd be able to see it sort of like engraved in there. And that's essentially it. It'll save you time from looking it up in a book, and if maybe the book is wrong by any chance, you just want to look on the headlight housing and look close to where the headlight is and look somewhere in the corner, and it should tell you the specific headlight bulb that is required for that headlight. And like I said, these are LEDs over here, so there's no bulb in them. That's why it's not going to be there. But I did check it out on my dad's car and my mom's car and my sister's cars, and it worked fine. So yeah, just a little heads up for a little car life hack. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.